Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe so you can stay on top of all of my new videos. Today I have a little David's Tea haul. I had some rewards that were going to expire, so I had to go ahead and redeem those. So I went for a couple things that are a bit more pricey than I'd normally go for, because when you have a reward, it's 2 free ounces of tea. And I think I had 2, so I really kind of did a bit of a splurge and then got something else that I wanted. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ounces of tea and a free silver tin. You have the option if you want to get this or not, if you're getting 4 ounces of the same tea. And since I just decided to get it. I mean, they're good to have. I have a lot of tins, all different colors, and I don't really prefer the silver ones, but I just figure it's nicer than just having a bag on my shelf. So I decided I wanted to try the organic Anji green, which means forever green. And it's a Chinese green tea from the Anji area. I've never tried this and I'm really intrigued by it. I'm thinking I want to do a review on this one where we'll sit down and look at it together because there's a lot to learn about it, I think. But a nice straight green tea. This was one of my rewards. And then for my other reward, I went with Gyokuro Yamashiro, which is another straight green tea, but this one is a Japanese green tea. So it's steamed. It's a little bit of a brighter green in color and more grassy in flavor, whereas the Chinese green teas normally are fired over a wok. So Chinese green teas and Japanese green teas have completely different flavor profiles. So some nice variety there with one Japanese green tea and one Chinese green tea. This one I've tried before, the Gyokuro. It's really good. It's really rich and kind of buttery. Definitely deeply green in flavor, and I really like it. I haven't had it in years though, so I love that I'm reunited with that. So the Gyokuro, I remember it being really rich in flavor. So let's check the David's Tea website real quick and see what are the tasting notes, because it has been a while. This one is $12 an ounce, $12.50 an ounce. So definitely worth using the reward. Whenever you have rewards, if you're a David's Tea frequent steeper, definitely look for those higher ticket teas that you wouldn't normally splurge on, because there isn't really a limit on what you can get. So you can really treat yourself when you have those rewards. So it says here, richly oceanic and grassy umami flavor with nutty notes of roasted chestnuts and buttered popcorn. So really rich and buttery and delicious. So here's what it says. An organic green tea, unlike any other, Gyokuro Yamashiro Jade Dew, is shaded for 6 to 7 weeks prior to plucking. So it's dark, extra energizing, and extremely rare outside of Japan. We love its tea oil and chlorophyll notes, so that really green, rich, almost buttery flavor. And its lengthy time out of the sun gives it an intensely rich flavor. Think dark leafy greens mingled with buttery sweetness. A very rare sought-after tea, only very small quantities are imported from Japan. Shaded during the final growing period, which increases chlorophyll in the leaves and gives this energizing tea a sweeter, grassier taste and a deeper green liqueur. So like I said, this one is really special, really kind of exclusive, and that is why it's pricier. But lucky for me, I did have that reward, and I am so excited to treat myself every morning with this awesome tea. And then Silver Bell Oolong was on sale. I have wanted to own this tea for so long. When I first started working at David's Tea, this was called Monk's Blend. It's white tea, milk oolong, and jasmine green tea pearls. So it's a mix of everything. So it was called Monk's Blend because I think traditionally the story was monks would consume tea that was all mixed like that, 3 different tea types in one. But now it's called Silver Bell Oolong. They brought it back for the holidays this past Christmas. And I went with 2 bags of it because it's on sale, so I assume it's going away. Hopefully they'll make it permanent though, because I remember this being like the most delicious tea, and it was one of the first things I tried when I started working at David's Tea, and it sold out really quickly and got discontinued for like all these years. So I'm really, really excited to have this in my life. Then the last one I got was some coconut oolong. This one was on sale as well. I think it's also on its way out. And I tried it when it came back, I think over the summer, last summer, and I really, really loved it. It's just like a really nice, like classic oolong with roasted coconut flavor. So this one has been a staple for me since then. I thought I would grab some before it's gone. And the Anji green, I think I am going to do like a full tea review, so we'll try it together on camera since it's something I've never tried before, and learn everything there is to know about that then. So keep an eye out next month for my Anji green. It does look like it's a little fluffier because the bag is bigger than the other bags, and they're all 2 ounces, so, or about 2 ounces. So it would mean that it is a lighter, fluffier, like kind of bigger leaf. So this will go a long way too. I'm so excited. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this kind of short and sweet look at the teas I picked up from David's Tea. Let me know if you guys bought any tea recently and what you got. And I hope that you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.